Embark on a journey into the enigmatic realm of self-control as we unravel the timeless wisdom of Plato himself. Are you ready to harness the power within you? Welcome to a realm where self-awareness evolves weaknesses into strengths and curiosity fuels empowered choices through critical thinking.
Lesson 1. The Pursuit of Wisdom. Plato, the OG philosopher, knew that seeking knowledge and understanding the truth was the path to a virtuous life. Lesson 2. The Importance of Virtue. Plato said, "Embrace courage, justice, temperance, and wisdom." These virtues shape us into better humans.
So, before we dive into the depths of self-awareness and critical thinking, I challenge you to comment below with your favorite Plato quote or your thoughts on philosophy. In this video, I'll be conducting an in-depth exploration of employing AI to forge an anonymous YouTube channel, just like many of you have been asking for. In this tutorial, my primary focus will be on crafting YouTube shorts similar to the preceding clip, while future videos will unveil diverse strategies for producing various YouTube content genres. So, let's plunge directly into the heart of the main topic. Now let's talk about the specific roadmap for this journey. Today, we're delving into the art of creating philosophy-centered content, drawing inspiration from a channel known as Philosophies for Life. This channel, adorned with a treasury of Stoic wisdom, reportedly rakes in monthly revenue anywhere from $351 to $5,000. And before we dive deeper, let's address a burning question. How does AI-narrated content affect monetization? To easily dispel these questions, simply navigate to the channel's homepage, right-click, and select View Page Source. Upon accessing the source code, use the search function, Ctrl+F, and query Monetization. The search result will indicate whether monetization is enabled or disabled for the channel. If the monetization key reads true, the channel is monetized. If false, it isn't. With this in mind, let's revert to the current channel we're examining. Naturally, you might not be inclined to establish a philosophy-oriented channel. Your aspirations could diverge elsewhere. This transitions us to our first AI tool, designed to facilitate idea generation, enter ChatGPT. To use its assistance, simply request, provide the top 50 niches for faceless YouTube channels. Subsequently, you'll be furnished with a compilation from which you can select your preferred niche. It's prudent to conduct additional research to ascertain the current demand for your chosen topic. Having now identified our channel's trajectory, we embark on the second phase of this process, scripting. Before delving into script creation, it's important to amass motivational quotes or axioms that align with your content's essence. I'm enlisting ChatGPT's expertise to conjure 6 philosophical teachings by Plato pertaining to morality, and let's begin by discussing the insights he shared. He emphasized the significance of morality, self-awareness, virtue, knowledge, and more. With these foundational concepts in mind, our next step involves transforming this knowledge into a script. To assist with this, I recently came across a useful Google Chrome extension named AIPRM. It offers various formats, and for our purpose, I've selected the YouTube script format. Upon entering our requirements, it efficiently generates a script tailored for a YouTube video. The script creation leads us to the next tool, 11 Labs. This AI tool specializes in generating voiceovers. After pasting the script into the interface, I adjusted the settings to match the motivational tone we seek. You could go to the voice library and choose the voices that you like. A voice with a slightly deep resonance aligns well with our goal. With a few simple clicks, the tool crafted the voiceover script. The generated audio snippet sounds like this.
Hey there, fellow seekers of wisdom. Today we've got a quick dose of ancient wisdom for you. Get ready to be inspired. Lesson 1. The Pursuit of Wisdom. Plato, the OG philosopher, knew that seeking knowledge and understanding the truth was the path to a virtuous life. Lesson 2. The Importance of Virtue. Plato said, "Embrace courage, justice, temperance, and wisdom. These virtues shape us into better humans." Lesson 3. The Tripart.
Ensure everything aligns seamlessly, then click Export to save the final product to your preferred location. Next, I'll be showing you the final video that we created. In the end, the integration of these steps results in a captivating video, seamlessly integrating Plato's wisdom with AI-generated visuals and captivating captions. That's it. Now you have a completed video with creation of interesting topics, scripting, synced voiceover, music, effects, transitions, and captions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more awesome content. Keep those creative juices flowing. This is Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy.